All right, so this is going to be episode 1 of a new series that is going to be about restoring these two used motorized chairs. Today I am featuring my dogs. Well, actually, I might take them somewhere else because I think he might pee on it. Right, I got the dogs gone, but we still got Zila because I trust her not to pee on anything. Now, this garage is pretty messy, but we're just gonna have to ignore that. I have to get this battery off of the seat. So basically what's going to happen, yeah, I think I'm going to take this off, is in this episode of this fantastic series, I am going to be like cleaning and restoring this. So yeah, so if we look at this one is in pretty nice condition. Especially after we take that thing off. This, it's red. But yeah, it has a holder for like oxygen. So I'm gonna start by just spraying it down with Lysol. Because Lysol kills germs. The headrest, the armrest, I have no clue how old this is, but if I had to guess, I'd say like 2010. And for this other one isn't in as good of shape. It's bigger, but not as good of shape. It has another one of these cushions that are detachable, so I'll just take that off. Yeah, this one definitely has more butt room, I guess you could say. Just spraying it down, getting rid of all the bacteria. I don't know, I might not do this every day, but I'm going to see how good of a job at restoring I can do. Like, I'm definitely going to try and get rid of all that Velcro, even though that's stapled. Yeah, this shouldn't be too hard. Another concern I have, that. Ew. Well, it's not ew, it's just coming off. So I think it might be better to peel this later. Yeah, so this is just short. This is going to just be about explaining what this series is going to be. It's late in the day when I'm recording this, so I'm not going to do very much. Mostly just wanted to... Oh, stuff. I think that's stuff just like the manual. But this one is out of charge. Yeah, it's out of charge. This one, though, I don't think it is. Just made a noise. Oh. doesn't have very much torque in the engine. And another feature it's missing, it doesn't go like beep, beep, beep when it's backing up. That's like a horn, but yeah, the other one isn't charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use rubbing alcohol to just try and get rid of some of the dirt. So I will come back when I am done with that. Alright, so I just got done with a little bit of the wiping off, and I'd say already it looks a lot better. I still got to get that stuff, the Velcro off, but I'd say it's pretty nice. So be sure to like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And show this to your friends. Show these videos to your friends, because I think if you, well, never mind. Alright, so I just got done with a little bit of the wiping off, and I'd say already it looks a lot better. I still got to get that stuff, the Velcro off, but alright, update, there's a new problem. I had to cut off the last video short because, yeah, I sat on this thing and then there was like 3 bugs crawling on my leg. So I'm gonna have to work on that. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications then.